Hello, dear students! Welcome to this fun and creative class where we will paint with coffee. Coffee is a very interesting medium, especially if you love water-soluble mediums like watercolor. If you are a beginner, coffee is perfect to learn watercolor techniques. It also offers a very unique painting experience and sparks curiosity. Just grab some coffee sachets from any grocery store and you're ready to start coffee painting. This class is perfect for beginners, as I'll explain step by step how to mix your coffee paint, and the subject we'll paint is simple and fun. Along the way, you'll also learn useful watercolor techniques while creating a delicious-looking chocolate ice lolly. For those who'd like to dive even deeper, I also have another coffee class where we will paint a steaming cup of coffee and explore watercolor techniques even further. It's the perfect subject for winter and autumn days. I've been a professional artist for many years, focusing exclusively on watercolors. I've always been captivated by the magic of this medium. I started to paint when I was a child, but as I grew, I had no idea how to improve or how to create effects that I wanted. I didn't know any of the techniques or how to use them. Now I've taken part in exhibitions and been fortunate enough to win rewards from such highly regarded organizations as International Watercolor Society, Helvet Art, Light Space Time, Art Show International, and Royal Talents. Watercolor can be challenging to manage for those who start to use this medium, which is why it's my intention to help you to enjoy watercolors and to learn it in an easy and fun way. In the step-by-step lessons, you can see the hand and brush movements clearly from different points of view. We will explore versatile and fundamental watercolor techniques that you can use in all your paintings and sketches. The approach of my classes is to start with an easy wash. As we proceed with the painting step by step, we will add more details, completing the artwork. If you have any struggles or difficulties along the way, you can start a discussion and I will read and respond to all your questions. Remember to hit the follow button next to the class title, just below the video. By doing so, you'll stay updated and be among the first to receive updates on my upcoming classes and exclusive giveaways. Discover free watercolor tips and tutorials by following me on Instagram and YouTube.